Look, people need to understand that this bonus is a setup. It's not a raise. It doesn't count towards people's base salary. It doesn't count towards their retirement. And the reason why the Republicans are giving a bonus this year is so that next year they can come back in an election cycle and give a raise and count the amount of the $750 bonus this year towards the raise, because this bonus isn't actually a part of the base salary. And so it's just a cynical political ploy. As it's related to the tax cuts, I would say furthermore that we're giving another 2% decrease in the corporate tax rate. That means if you're an individual listening to this, you're going to pay 2.5% more taxes on your income than Google or any other profitable corporation is going to pay on their income. And I would guess that most corporations in North Carolina would happily have just left their tax rate where it was if it meant that we could have brought our teacher pay up to the national average. But that option wasn't even on the table.
The General Assembly also recently approved Medicaid reform, putting that in quotes maybe, Medicaid reform. You didn't seem too happy with that plan either.
We have one of the model Medicaid administrations in this country. There are other states that come here to learn how we do Medicaid to keep costs as low as they can. A large part of how we do that is through a fantastic provider-led network, and we're about to turn over our provider-led network to for-profit insurance companies. What's going to happen when this Medicaid quote-unquote reform plan goes into place is that your tax dollars that you pay to the state are going to turn into corporate profits for insurance companies, and the way they're going to make those profits is they're going to cut services and limit services that are provided to poor people. That is not good for the state of North Carolina. It makes me furious that we're putting this in place and not even talking about Medicaid expansion to give more people health care.